Unfortunately, there's no magic eraser that can instantly get rid of acne or make your skin smooth. But if you want to know how to get clear skin without spending a fortune, there are some reasonable and simple steps you can take to make your complexion glow brighter and feel softer, provided that you don't have chronic adult acne or a skin condition. Today we will be talking about 10 free skincare tips and home remedies recommended by estheticians and dermatologists that are actually quick, affordable, and most important, effective. While they're not a replacement for a solid skincare routine and won't have the same kind of long-term effect as lasers or injectables, experts say they really can make a difference no matter your budget. Before starting, if you like the content, pay it forward and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. 1. Stay hydrated. Glowing skin starts from within, by drinking plenty of water, eating fruits and vegetables high in water, and avoiding caffeine and alcohol, which can dry out the skin. You are helping your body to stay hydrated from within, while using the right products is also very important to maintaining proper skin hydration. Internal hydration is key to achieving healthy, beautiful, and glowing skin. 2. Wash your hands. Your hands are covered in tons of bacteria from touching things like doorknobs, keyboards, and your cell phone, for example. Scientists have found that when you touch your face, you're spreading that bacteria to your skin, which then can trigger breakouts and other skin problems. While you don't really need to be reminded to wash your hands in 2022, just be sure to give them a good rinse before you touch your face, even if you've been inside all day. Or better yet, try to keep your hands off your face entirely. 3. Avoid sulfates and parabens. Skincare products that contain sulfates and parabens can be drying and potentially harmful to the skin. Whenever purchasing cleansers and skincare products, be sure to avoid anything with sulfates, as they can cause the skin to become overly dry instead of the dewy, glowing skin you want to achieve. 4. Use gentle soap. According to scientists and plastic surgeons, harsh soaps are a big no-no. They can irritate your skin by stripping its natural oils that are important for hydration. Using harsh soaps can cause any previous skin conditions to worsen or flare up, including acne or rosacea. Swap a harsh cleanser for a more gentle formula. 5. Clean your makeup brushes. We know you've been putting it off, but regularly cleaning your makeup brushes can make a huge difference in your skin. Brushes harbor bacteria, debris, and oil and can frequently cause acne or inflammation in your skin when repeatedly used without cleaning. Check out our guide to properly cleaning your makeup brushes to make sure they're bacteria-free. A 2016 study, focused on beauty products in salons used by multiple consumers, found that a harrowing 100% of the skin and eye products were contaminated with bacteria. Fungus or yeast was also found in 19% of the makeup brushes used. The takeaway: it's crucial to know how to clean makeup brushes, how often to do so, and when it's time to just throw them out. Here are 7 steps to clean your makeup brushes. 1. Wet the bristles with lukewarm water. 2. Place a drop of your cleanser of choice into the palm of your clean hand. 3. Gently massage the tips of the bristles in your palm. 4. Rinse the bristles thoroughly. 5. Squeeze out the excess moisture with a clean towel. 6. Reform the brush head back into its original shape. 7. Let the brush dry with its bristles hanging off the edge of a counter, which allows it to dry in the correct shape. Never let your brushes dry on a towel, the bristles can turn mildewy. Mid-wash, be sure to keep the base of the brush head where it connects to the handle away from soap and water. The bristles are glued to the base, and water and detergent can cause the glue to disintegrate and the bristles to come loose and shed. Also, avoid drying brushes vertically with the bristles up. This can cause water to leak into the piece that joins the bristles to the handle, which also will loosen the glue and lead to bristle loss. 6. Switch your pillowcase. Adding laundry to your to-do list is no fun, but keeping your pillows clean is a top beauty secret. Pillowcases can hang on to dirt, oil, and bacteria from our faces, hair, and environment, and can become a breeding ground for acne. Aim to swap out your pillow covering at least once a week to reduce the risk of breakouts. Treat your face masks the same way, and swap them out as much as possible to decrease masking from forming. A silk pillowcase is recommended to keep your products from escaping from your skin, so you can really ensure they're penetrating. Silk pillowcases not only help ward off wrinkles, but also make your hair shinier. 7. Wash your face as soon as you're done working out. While working out is great for your skin, body, and mind, lingering sweat is not. Washing your face immediately after you exercise removes oil, sweat, and bacteria rather than allowing it to sit on your skin, where it can clog pores and cause breakouts. While you may be tempted to wait until you shower, wash your face as soon as you can after your workout to prevent this buildup. 8. Ice a pimple to decrease inflammation. When you're dealing with a red, inflamed pimple, head to your freezer instead of trying to pop it. Applying ice directly to the blemish will help to decrease inflammation, reducing the size and visibility of the spot. Hydrocortisone cream is recommended to help reduce redness and swelling, which most people have on hand in their medicine cabinet. 9. Avoid the bath towel. Just like your pillow, your towel can be a sneaky cause of acne. If you're struggling with breakouts, use a paper towel instead of your bath towel to dry your face after cleansing. Using a towel will result in a possible harbor for bacteria, which can spread breakouts. 10. Identify your stresses. Stressing less is way easier said than done, but it's something we must address. Our bodies and minds are directly linked, in stress or lack of sleep can often manifest itself in health conditions and exacerbate skin problems like acne. Stress and lack of sleep induce the hormone cortisol, which triggers our skin to produce more sebum or oil. This increase of oil then can clog pores and lead to more breakouts. It's important to set aside time during the day for self-care, even if it's just for a few minutes. It can be working out, reading a book, meditation, whatever works for you to de-stress and unwind. That's a wrap for today's video. What are your thoughts on our list? Let us know in the comments section below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates.